Hey everybody, we are at the Chief today. We're going to be hiking it in the rain. This hike is a very popular trail, so I came here pretty early. It's just past 7 in the morning on a Saturday today, and the parking lot is absolutely empty. So wish me luck. I'll see you at the top. Hey buddy. We are almost at the top of First Peak, and here's the amazing view. To be fair, I knew rain was in the forecast, so this is exactly what I should have expected. But you know what? It's not about what you see at the top. It's about the things you learn along the way. Am I right? Oh, it's so foggy. Whoa. All right, so we are on First Peak right now. And you can see Second Peak behind me just here. And then over on this side is where we should be seeing Squamish, but it's just a cloud. So that's too bad. All right, I was going to take a bit of a break up here, but it's just super exposed to wind and rain, and it's really chilly. So I'm gonna head back down into the shelter of the trees and head on over to Second Peak. And I'm hoping the clouds kind of clear up by the time I get there, but the chances I think are pretty slim of that. It is soaking wet. So I'm just about to reach second peak. I'm in this little canyon with a ladder at the end to get up. And behind me, up there, that's first peak. So we came all the way down around this mountain, and then up this gully, and then up into this canyon. Alright, so the plan had been to hike all 3 peaks today, but because of the rain and the fact that we don't really get any views anyway, I'm gonna call it quits and head back down from second peak. Even though it's been so wet and I'm calling it quits early, I really enjoyed the hike. I had it almost all to myself. I only ran into a couple other people. The rain probably played a part in that. If you do come on this hike, in the rain especially, make sure to wear hiking boots or shoes. If you just wear runners, I think you'll be slipping around a lot. But yeah, let me know if you liked the video. There will definitely be more videos coming in the spring and summer, and I hope you're there to see them. All right, I'm gonna head back down, and I'll catch you guys later.